Good morning. My name is Chandrika. I am from SRDG School, Miryalaguda, Nalgonda district and Andhra Pradesh. Here my model of an elevator using a low cost material. Here, this is the block diagram of this. These are all reels act as pulleys. This is the balanced weight and this is elevator car. One thread is pulled to the 1, 2 and 3, 4 reels and then is attached to the bottom of the elevator car, and another thread is pulled to 1, 5, 6 and attached to the balanced weight. This is the working model of an elevator using a low cost material. I used very low cost material for 10 rupees. That's it for this using this model. Here it is working. Here sir. This is the working model. This act as windlass. These are all pulleys these are all bobbins act as pulleys. This is the elevator car and this is balanced weight. If we rotate the windlass in one direction, the elevator car moves down and the balanced weight comes up. If we rotate in another direction, the balanced weight moves down and the elevator car comes up. This is the working mode of an elevator using a low cost material. And here it is an improvised model using electricity and solar energy. Let me show first in electricity, then after I'll show you solar energy. First I'll explain the block diagram of this. This is the block diagram. Power is supplied to transformer. Transformer transmits the power in the circuit. Diode converts the alternate current into direct current. Diode is connected to the motor through PCB and to relays. These relay 1 and PCB act as the reset for this system. Relay 2 controls the two-way switch and the push-on switches. Motor is connected to the elevator box here, and the lever switches are connected to the PCBs. Lever switches stops the elevator car wherever we want in the floor. These are two-way switch. This determines the direction of the elevator car. If it is in upside, the elevator car moves up. If it is in downside, this will move down. The aluminium foils has a wire connected through terminal box to the diode for the lightning in the elevator car. This is the block diagram of an elevator using through electricity and a solar energy. Now this is my working for this. This is the working. Here this is a two-way switch. This is push-on switches. Here this is the aluminium foils, aluminium frames, and this is elevator car. This is the lightning. If we push on, this is two-way switch, determines the direction. If we push on the button, the elevator car moves up. Wherever the lever switch is present, it will stop there. Here the lever switch is present, it is stopped there. Now it is an upside direction, so it moved upside. If we change direction, it will move down. Up to now we saw about only electrical energy. Now I will show you about solar energy. Outside there is a solar panel. The energy is stored in a UPS. From the UPS, I will use the solar energy to work the lift. Nowadays there is a shortage in the electricity. Our solar energy is abundant energy, so we can use solar energy for the moving of the lift also. That is my model. Here we used one motor and also a pulley because if a motor only is there, we need a high voltage of motor. If a motor and pulley also there, we can move the lift easily.